Imagine a creamy, delectable green concoction that not only delights your taste buds, but also supercharges your health. This is the Avocado Smoothie, a powerhouse beverage loaded with heart-healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. It's more than a trendy health drink. It's a lifestyle choice rooted in nature's bounty. Alongside health benefits, the allure of this charming beverage is its creamy texture and subtly sweet flavor. This versatile drink is truly beneficial and enjoyable. A perfect blend of taste and health, don't you think? So, are you ready to dive into this green power drink? Hello and welcome to SpoonCrafty. Stay with us as we unravel the secret recipe to this incredible avocado smoothie. This is the 5th edition of our 10 best avocado recipes. What makes this smoothie so special? Its primary, the avocado. Often underrated in the realm health, this green fruit is a powerhouse of nutrients. Its richness in vitamins, including K, C, E, and B, makes it a dietary essential. Surprisingly, it's more potassium than bananas, and abundant fiber for a healthy gut. But what really distinguishes avocados are their healthy fats. They're packed with heart-friendly monounsaturated fats that aid in reducing bad cholesterol. The antioxidants, lutein carries, are also vital for eye health. With such an impressive nutritional profile, avocados are the perfect base for our smoothie. Now, let's dive into the ingredients that make this smoothie so delightful and nutritious. The star is the ripe avocado, packed with healthy fats for reducing inflammation and nutrient absorption. It lends a creamy texture and a mild taste. The second ingredient, ripe bananas, sweetens the mix while providing potassium and vitamin B6. Optional leafy greens, spinach or kale, add iron, vitamins A and C, or antioxidants if included. They introduce a vibrant green color but don't alter the taste significantly. The inclusion of unsweetened almond milk keeps the smoothie light and ties the flavors together while offering vitamin E. Our optional sweetener, honey or maple syrup, adds a hint natural sweetness and antioxidants or minerals like calcium, potassium, and magnesium respectively. Lastly, ice cubes are added for an invigorating chill. But for a creamier smoothie, a frozen banana could be used instead. The ripe avocado and banana, spinach or kale, honey or maple syrup, and ice cubes each contribute uniquely to this smoothie. With these ingredients ready, we're all set to blend our way to a healthier lifestyle. Now comes the fun part, blending all these nutritious ingredients into a delicious smoothie. Let's kick off by pouring almond milk into the blender. It's low in calories and lactose-free, catering to those who are calorie-conscious or lactose intolerant. You're free to swap it with any other milk, such as coconut or dairy milk. Then we'll add our main component, the ripe avocado. This ingredient gives our smoothie a creamy texture and infuses it with healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins. Ensure your avocado is ripe for the smoothest blend. Just scoop out the flesh, discard the pit, and drop it in the blender. Next, a ripe banana goes in. This adds natural sweetness and potassium, and contributes to the smoothie's creaminess. The riper, the better. Now, for those who love greens, toss in a handful of spinach or kale. They're a source of antioxidants and vitamins, giving your smoothie a green hue without significantly altering the taste. Sweeten your smoothie if you like it a bit sweeter. This can be done with honey, brown rice syrup, or dates. Just ensure that the sweetness of the fruits isn't overshadowed. Then the ice cubes go last. They offer a refreshing coolness and help thicken the smoothie. Adjust the quantity to your preference. Then, blend all the ingredients until smooth. The duration of this will depend on your blender's power. Aim for a chunk-free, creamy texture. And just like that, your avocado smoothie is ready to be enjoyed. Now that you've created this nutritious drink, it's time to enjoy it. Savor this delectable avocado smoothie in your own way. It's perfect for kickstarting your day, or as a post-workout protein boost, slipping effortlessly into your daily routine. More than just a drink, it's a lifestyle choice, a nourishing commitment. If you're not ready for this green delight right now, it's fine. Store it in the fridge and it'll stay fresh for 2 days. Stir well before enjoying, allowing you to prep ahead and have your healthful treat when needed. Remember, healthy living is not a destination, but a journey. And this avocado smoothie is your perfect travel companion. This avocado smoothie is more than just a drink. It's a step towards a healthier you. Each sip is a testament to your commitment to well-being, a delightful blend of nutrients that your body will thank you for. However, the real charm of this recipe is its flexibility. See it as a canvas, waiting for you to unleash your creativity. You could add cocoa for a chocolatey twist, or berries for an antioxidant boost. If you're feeling adventurous, why not sprinkle chia seeds or flax seeds for added fiber and omega-3 fatty acids? A dash of honey or few kiwis could serve as a natural sweetener, or a scoop of protein powder to support your workout. The options are as vast as your imagination. This smoothie is more than a recipe, it's a philosophy. It's about understanding the power of clean, natural ingredients and creating something delicious and nutritious. It's about taking charge of your health, one delightful sip at a time. So don't just watch this video, act on it. Step into your kitchen, roll up your sleeves, and get blending. Let the vibrant green of the avocado smoothie be your flag of wellness. Every journey starts with a single step. Today, let this smoothie be your step towards a healthier, happier you. Share your experiences and inspire others on their health journey. So go on, give this smoothie a whirl and let us know how it turned out. Just a reminder, use any amount of any ingredients you like. Adjust the sweetness and thickness the way pleases you. And that's a wrap for this edition of the 10 best avocado creation recipes. Be sure to watch our other videos of great recipes. If you enjoyed our content, please like and subscribe to our channel as we have weekly videos with great recipes and tips. Also share this video with friends and your family. Don't forget to leave a comment and share your thoughts about this recipe. Let us know if you paired avocado with any other fruits like apples or kiwis. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay fit,